Hey guys, this is gonna be the first of four bookshelf tours. So I'm gonna do the smallest one. Oh, there's my hand. The smallest one today. So I'll start from top to bottom. I'll probably do some of the. I think I might do one of them bottom to top just because it will be easier, and the top is kind of really crowded. So on one of them, so but most of them will probably be top to bottom. So yeah, so first is this is my smallest wicker one. We have Septiceye Sam up on here. He's the jumbo one, he's the biggest one, and his little tail thing is behind there. This used to be up there, but now since I moved it to the corner, it doesn't have something to lean against, because before it was like on here I could lean against like stuff. But this is just a bunny head. It used to be like one of those giant bunnies you get from like whatever, those stores. I got this the Easter after my dad died, and its name is Christmas, and I just kept him. He was in bad shape, so that's why I only have his head anymore, but his head is still okay. I mean, his nose is kind of worn out and stuff, but he's still okay. So I'll just talk about that right there, because I feel like it's kind of still a part of this bookshelf, but it's not really. Even though this bookshelf doesn't have any books on it. It's the only one of the three that don't have any books. And you made like these. These are just like layered things that was in like my arts and craft drawer, and I just like, they're like on pipe cleaners, and I just like looped them through, and there's only like the four of them. So there's like those four. They're all like very different. So yeah, and this is the first shelf, which has, this is basically all the nail polish I want to use up. So you have these like really teeny tiny ones, and then I have like the bigger ones in back stuff, and then I have this like mosaic kind of thing. I don't remember how I made it. I think it was like glue and like pieces of tissue paper or something. But I made it like, I think in middle school, maybe. I don't know. But it's just an R, because my name's Rose and stuff. And then I have like this little like, I think these are like wipes or something. I never use them. And I have some like nail glitters and stuff in this bag. This is just a small bag of the two. I'm not sure if I want to use up everything in that bag, but I do eventually want to get both bags into one. But yeah, and then this is just a house. I actually got this for a birthday present one year, back when I used to go to a youth group, and I painted it myself. It was one of those like painting kits. I made a little path in the front. It's kind of dusty. You see all the creepers. Like, I got this probably in middle school, I think, too. And then I painted it with all the windows and stuff. But yeah, I got this for my birthday. And that one just lives there. And then I have this origami unicorn I made. He's a black unicorn, because he's the outcast among unicorns, because most unicorns are usually white. So that's why I'm like, oh, he's just a little outsider, because I like little unique things. So let's go down to the next shelf. There's only 3 shelves in that, like a cupboard. So this video is probably going to be the shortest of all videos. But yeah, I have my Game Informers over here that I kept. I only have a couple. It used to cover this whole like shelf, my Game Informers, but now I only have like a couple. And they're all kind of older, I think. They're all like from like at least a year or 2 ago. So like, yeah, they're older, but I like the covers of like these and stuff. So these are the ones I kept. And then this is 4 bag, right? Yeah, it's a 4 bag. And this just has my candles in it for now. This is not a candle though. This is a clay thing I made. It's a gradient from black to purple, and it's like a little skull. This was a pain in the butt to make though. But yeah, let's see if we can zoom in. It's like not focusing, but that is also with my candles for some reason. There's like some rose candles and some pillars and stuff like that. And then I have, right next to that, I have this thing, which is just like an empty organizer. I mean, it has like candy cane and some random stuff right there. But it's basically empty, and I just keep it basically just in case I want to use it for something, because I think it's a really nice organizer, even though I don't need it right at this moment. And I have this wind chime that I painted. I painted this long time ago. Like, probably 6-7 years ago, something like that. Most of the stuff I have is, like, from a long time ago. But, yeah. I don't really have anywhere to put it, which is why it's on the shelf. And this is just an empty box. This is, from that Tatcha set I got, like, last year, I think it was. Maybe 2 years ago. I think it was just last year, though. I just thought this was a nice box. It would be good for storing something, so I just keep it right there. So that's this shelf. And then the last shelf is kind of more jumbled. Okay, let's start with this. This is the thing I halfway painted. I don't know if I'm ever gonna finish it, actually, but it's like a little fox with a little tree stump thing, because I love foxes. And maybe I will eventually finish it, but yeah. And then I have a little squirrel, a little orange origami squirrel. I have little origami things like all over my room. They're like spread out. And then this is a scrapbook. This is phone numbers, like my phone number book, because I like to have a written copy of any phone number I think I might need, instead of just having it in my phone, because I like having a written copy. And then these are my Sims. Like, I have lots of Sims too. Like, I've played the 3 a little bit. I've played 1, 2, and a little bit of 3, but I've never played 4. So yeah. And I have some more. These 2 are empty scrapbooks. Nail polish is falling, but yeah, let me just knock that down. But there's Eeyore and there's Pooh, I think is the other one. And then there's a picture frame case, and then this is like a jewelry making thing. I don't think I've ever used this. It's kind of dirty, but yeah, I sometimes make like polymer clay, like charms and jewels and stuff, so there's that. And this is my book from like preschool, from like I think it's 1997 through 98. So that's me. That's me, my sister, and my mom. See little Rugrats? I'm so cute. Like, look at how small I am there. But yeah. And then this, I don't know if I'm gonna open this, but yeah, there's just like letters. Every single like letter or card I have gotten that I want to keep is in here, and that's all that's in that bottom bit. And then I usually have my my Vampire Diary books are right against here temporarily, because I'm gonna read through them and then give them to my sister. So yeah, they're just right there temporarily. And that's this whole shelf. I mean, this one is the smallest one, so I'm gonna try not to talk too much with the other ones, but like, I have a lot of little knickknacks and stuff. That's why I thought it would be good to like do each one individually, because then I could just talk through it and it won't feel as rushed if I try to do it all in one video. So yeah. So I hope you guys liked it, and hope to see you in another video. Bye.